Hey, Kat, look what just came in.
Yay! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open it up. This is the new Volt that came in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Totally sealed.
Totally sealed. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see where we go.
It's a lip, magnetic lip. Should have came with instructions.
Yes, yes, yes. Here we go. Look at the manual. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. See the manual. Oh, look at this case. Wow. Let's open up the case. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Let's take this out. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh.
There it is, portable controller with a magnetic top.
Look at that. I love it. Okay, let's open this up. Each
Your
controller.
4 controllers.
Wow.
As soon as you lift it, it automatically turns on.
Oh my gosh.
And for transport, we keep clear plastic there so it doesn't burn out.
And 4. Wow. Wow. And a nice carrying case, all padded with a little netting. Wow. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna set this right here. Little carrying case. What is this? Oh, it's a nice box. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, the pads. Look at the pads. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pads. And we have a charging cable all nicely packed away. Open it up. For charging. Nice. So you have the carrying case and you put the pads back here and they hold it. And you have the controller. All the controllers all set here. I can't wait.